Hi, my name's Matt and I'd like to welcome you to this Zinniac video, which is part of our MoP Management of Portfolio Practitioner training course. In this video we're going to be introducing the course, and I'm going to start off by just reminding you where MoP Practitioner fits into the ProPath certification scheme. And you can see there on the slide to my left, MoP Practitioner is one of the 3 certifications, along with MSP Practitioner and P3O Practitioner, that you require in order to achieve the ProPath Program Leader certification. And you can achieve all 3 with Zinniac. All 3 are available on our website. So in order to achieve the MoP Practitioner certification, you will need to pass the MoP Practitioner examination, and it's a 3-hour exam with a required pass mark of 50% or 40 out of 80 questions. So in the exam it will show 4 questions related to the 4 syllabus areas you can see there, but in reality each of those 4 questions has several parts. Each part has several sub-questions within it, and the total of the little actual questions is 80, so you need 40 out of 80. But you can see the 4 syllabus areas there: implement, sustain and measure, the portfolio definition cycle, the portfolio delivery cycle, and roles and documentation. And the exam paper will be structured in that way, so there'll be those 4 sections and questions on each of those. Not all questions are equal, so some are level 3 and some are level 4. That's Bloom's taxonomy levels. It just means that the level 3 questions are slightly easier than the level 4. The level 4 questions tend to be those where you need to get 2 parts correct, and there's a number of formats they use, and we'll see all of them in this course. And unlike the foundation exam, the exam is scenario based, so there's a fictitious company around which the questions are based, and there's a general scenario, and then certain questions will have additional information, so additional scenario information, and that is particularly important for those questions. And it's also important to recognise that where there is additional information for, say, question 2A, it only applies to question 2A. It doesn't apply to question 2B or question 3 or 4 or whatever. It just applies to the question and part of question that it states. The general scenario applies to all questions. It's also an open book exam, so if you have the official ebook guidance, which you will have got if you took the MoP Foundation with Zinniac, that's included within our course. If you don't have access to that, or you prefer a paperback textbook, then you can purchase that via the link in the course. So the rest of the course is going to be structured in line with the 4 syllabus areas and the 4 high-level question areas. And what I will do is I will introduce the type of question that you're going to face. There'll then be a quiz within the course, so you can try some questions out. They are based on, they're just copies of the official sample paper question 1. So if you want to use question 1 paper rather than doing it interactively through the user interface, you can. They're the same, but I'll give you the opportunity to answer the questions. You can get your mark, and then I will explain the answers. If you get all the questions right, you can just move on to the next set of questions. But if you get any wrong, then you should look at my explanation of the correct answer, and also read the AXELOS explanation of the correct answer in the sample paper document as well, because their explanation might be slightly different from mine, different perspective. And there's multiple ways to get the right answer. You may have got the right answer in a different way than I explain it, as long as you get the right answer. So that brings us to the end of this introduction video for the MoP Practitioner training course. Do join me in the next video where I'll be introducing the first set of questions. See you there.